What if I tell you this is potato recipe? You get this potato for house, you don't know what you want use and take make. Oh yeah, now come closer, this video is for you. Hello good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making this potato recipe. Okay, so this is the potato be needing on this recipe. I've already washed and cut it, but the computer for my pot, add and salt and water, then cover and make the potato for cook. Now we move to the next level. So this is my pan with oil and the onions. So we are going to stir this for just a minute, then we add our grounded meat. Okay, so this is the grounded meat. We are going to stir everything together until you have something like this. Then after this, now you have to put your tomatoes. Okay, so this one are the tomatoes when me I dey use. So I come pour them inside, add all my ingredients when I have for my kitchen. So this one are pepper, guys. So now known as an African woman, I don't feel cook without pepper, you understand? So I don't add my maggi, curry, nutmeg, everything I have in my kitchen when I take the cook. I don't already add everything, as you can see on the video. So then we can add our salt. Now we'll stir everything together. Stir abeg, we go turn everything together. Then we go come cover make the sauce for cook. So our sauce is almost ready. Now this is my veggies that I will be adding inside. Okay, so I have green bell pepper, red and yellow bell pepper. Now waiting I put for inside and I be down at the sea. So the next thing, and this one are my spring onions. Okay, so I can add them with my, what's this one called again, Presley, I don't know, something like that. Then I can add them together and then turn everything together, just the way you dey see am for this video. Now our sauce is readynable. Then we move to the next level. So this one is the potato one we boil earlier. So we are going to be mashing it with this our potato mashers. Now this one are my pan what we're going to use for this. Okay, so I can add an oil, then use my, what's this one called, then call it a rubber together, you understand? Then we'll start putting the potato will match. Then you have something like this. Do it very well the way I'm just doing it, in case if you want to try this at home. So this one now the color our cheese and then I can add my cheese. Then we will come to add that our sauce when we make, just the way I take the do. You go to say maybe in a lasagna now they do. It might not be lasagna. This one are just potato. Okay, then we add our cheese again. We add our sauce again as well. After this, now there will be needed 3 eggs with this cream. Okay, we'll mix everything together. I add my nutmeg, then the remaining parsley when I use, then I come pour it inside, turn them together, then we'll go add and salt. Now we are going to be pouring it on top of what we just made earlier. Then you now have something like this, and we are going to be baking this inside our oven. So I add the cheese again. Okay, so now we are done. We put it in our oven and we have something like this. Look at this now. Will you be giving this a try? If yes, please let me know on the comment section. So my people, if you know so you don't watch this video, Risha, it may say you did enjoy that, but you know what, follow, you know what, like I John Kilo, there was going on. Yeah, and I help a sister, help a friend as we do. May God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they supporting again. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.